coronavirus, southeastern Michigan is now dealing with its first case of the Omicron variant.
Now, this is the state's fourth case of this highly contagious strain.
Yeah, this new case popped up in Washtenaw County. The others were detected in Genesee and Kent counties. Health officials are urging people to get vaccinated and boosted when eligible to fight the variant that appears to be spreading quickly.
Now, this comes as Michigan continues to battle a surge of cases. We're expecting to receive the latest update on case numbers later today. On Wednesday, the state reported nearly 12,000 cases over just a 2-day period.
And as the state battles this latest surge, schools are taking measures to make sure that students can still attend class in person.
Now, the state's largest district, the Detroit Public Schools Community District, announcing a vaccine mandate for all teachers and all staff. They
will now have until February 18th of next year to be fully vaccinated or receive a religious or medical exemption. The district says that this is to keep COVID-19 cases from spinning out of control.
7 Action News reporter Alex Bozargian joins us live now from Renaissance High School with why school leaders and district leaders think this is a step in the right direction.
Keenan, officials say that most district employees already got both shots, so this really won't impact a whole lot of people in the district. But it would make a big difference in a city where more than 60% of people remain unvaccinated.
We do have an obligation to provide this safe learning environment as it relates to our young people.
As it stands now, the environment inside Detroit Public Schools is unstable at best. During Thursday's school board meeting, Superintendent Nikolai Vitti said 150 positive cases in unvaccinated people forced 483 students and 99 staff members to quarantine this year. Vitti says the data supports a mandatory vaccine policy.
This policy, I think, is a step toward using the tools that are now available to us in this pandemic to keep students in school.
DPSCD is the largest district in the state and one of the few to impose the policy on employees. Lansing Public Schools announced their mandate back in August. Vitti says the vaccine requirement could apply to students by fall 2022, as long as it's legal.
Will the state defer to the local health department? Will they just defer to us? Or do we already legally have that requirement? This has already been a subject of review by different attorneys.
Aside from the district, Detroit's vaccination rates as a whole are lagging behind neighboring areas. In Wayne County, 66% of people have been vaccinated, compared to 36% in the city of Detroit. Board member Angelique Peterson Mayberry says the 11,000 students who were forced to quarantine this year are a reflection of that percentage.
This is a step needed for us to avoid that interruption in the educational process.
All employees will have to get vaccinated and then report their status to the district by February 18th. Now, if staff members don't get a religious or medical exemption and they don't comply with this mandate, they could be fired. Live in Detroit, I'm Alex Bozargian, 7 Action News.
All right. Thank you so much, Alex, for that update.